Have you ever wondered how free AI tools like Chat for Students actually works? In the next 7 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it, step by step. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be using it like a pro. Welcome back to AI Tools Hub. Today we're diving deep into free AI tools like Chat for Students. If you're new here, we break down the latest AI tools and workflows so you can work smarter, not harder. Let's get into it. So first, let's understand what free AI tools like Chat for Students actually is and why everyone is talking about it right now. Free AI tools like Chat for Students is a revolutionary category of software that uses artificial intelligence to automate tasks that used to take hours. What makes it special is that it can learn and adapt to your specific workflow, getting better the more you use it. And the best part? Most of these tools have free tiers so you can get started without spending a dime. Getting started with free AI tools like Chat for Students is actually easier than you might think. Here's what you need to do. Step 1, head over to the tool's website and create a free account. Step 2, explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the interface. Step 3, start with a simple project to test out the features. That's literally it. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Most people don't know this, but free AI tools like Chat for Students has some hidden features that can save you hours. First tip, use keyboard shortcuts to speed up your workflow by 3x. Second tip, combine multiple AI tools together for even more powerful results. And here's the game changer, always review AI output before publishing, it's good but not perfect. So does free AI tools like Chat for Students actually deliver results? Absolutely. People are using it to automate their entire email workflow, generate marketing content in minutes instead of hours, and even build entire websites from a single prompt. The productivity gains are incredible. And that's everything you need to know about free AI tools like Chat for Students. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns every week. Drop a comment below telling me which AI tool you want me to cover next. I'll see you in the next one.